You are planning for your retirement and will be investing $250 per month into an IRA. You expect a monthly return of 1% and are 45 years from your expected retirement date. Given this information, how much do you expect to be in your retirement account when you retire? First, import NumPy and SysE. Now, let's go over our variables. The rate is 1%. The number of compounding periods is 12 multiplied by 45. That is because we are receiving a monthly return for 45 years. The payment is $250 and the present value is 0. Note that an absolute function was added to the print statement to deal with negative values. After the function is called, that gives us a value of $5,363,673.26. An IRA with over $5 million? Not too shabby.